This is necessary. Yes, yes. There's Leah. Look. I am extremely high in the air. During this video, me and Leah are going to be going to look for the stone used by ancient people to make their ancient bushcraft and survival tools. And we're going to be making those tools, arrowhead, spear points, knives, and we're going to be testing them in this video. Any bushcrafter knows. Pickles. Birch bark. So, we got in kind of early yesterday. Set up the tent. And I just wanted to show camp real quick. Got our pickles and birch bark right there. Little tiny fire pit. It's a pretty decent layout. Nice and big space. Nice and big space. It's actually cold enough at the end of July to be wearing a sweater. I'm cold. This stuff here, it's called rabbit foot clover. Really cool stuff. So not far from here, not far from those mountains, is some known Paleo-Indian camps, like 13,000 years old. With the river. It's a nice river here. Let's get the sounds. I think that's Mount Washington. Listen to these sounds. So, this appears to be what I'm looking for. It looks right. Let me look for a little more. A few samples would be nice. Looks like it's just cobble. Glacial cobble. See that edge? Yeah, this is it. Oh, sweet, man. All right, let me look around. Sounds right. Ready? And that's it. That is it. That is the rhyolite. Awesome. Flakes really nice. There, you can see the stripes in the rock there.
It's really interesting how it looks very coarse-grained inside. Like if you show where you took the flake,
yeah,
it looks really rough.
It's smooth.
But when you feel it, it's smooth and very turd-like.
Day one. Day freaking one. And I find it. Goal complete. Holy cow. Oh my god. find rhyolite, it doesn't mean it's amazing to nap. This looks interesting. This blue. Let me check it. Probably coming from up there. Just wanted to check it. Crystal pocket.
Split right along that seam.
Yeah.
And you can see how the crystals like reflect Very sharp along those edges.
Also basalt. Pretty high quality though.
Yeah.
I'll try to nap this.
Nap salt.
Yeah. Give it a try.
Weather stations are readily available.
Waterfalls. My legs are shaking. We're just on a ridge above this river here, and there's some velvet leaf blueberries. They're tiny ones. There's a whole bunch right here. See that? Velvet leaf. Try a smaller one. There we go. Alright, Hinge City. Look at that. That looks like bear track. That might be bear. It's big. I don't see anything. I mean, it's big. Big bear. Scary. Trying to peel as far as I can once it gets to that point, and then I'm just cutting it. Got a notch cut, got some pine pitch, can put it in there and melt it. Alright, just lightly glued it in there. Burnt the heck out of myself. Now I'm gonna wrap it with sinew, just around, and let it dry. Alright, got a Dunkin' cup, of course. Put these in here. Just let them sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna let that dry, just like that. See that? Alright, get back to you. I just wet it to see what it would look like, and it looks much prettier like that. Alright, letting it dry. Try flint and steel again. tough one, but got it done. Got it going now. Alright. Just took a little bit. Alright, get back to you in a bit. We'll see. I wish I had more. But like I said, I'm excited that I was able to get anything at all from it. Didn't dry all the way overnight. So, only gonna give one throw with this. It's probably gonna come loose, but maybe not. We'll see. Okay, we are gonna record a test with the atlatl spear thrower. The flint arrowhead is on a dart. We're throwing the dart at this target. We're gonna give it a test. Point did not break. This is hard plastic as compared to skin. That'd work. That would work. Nice. Kind of chunky, narrow, but super sharp point. Still sharp as heck at the tip. This hammock rolls up into itself. So everything is all in this one little tiny. This is the whole hammock, plus the straps. I put this in my product description. It's inside out at the moment though. Just hopped over into Vermont and saw this ancient crossing. Native Americans passed through thousands of years ago, heading over to Lake Champlain. Native people have been enjoying this stretch of the Connecticut River for 12,000 years. It's right there, right at that bridge. You can see the mountains in the background. Just randomly pulled off. I saw the sign, I saw archaeological site, and I was like, yes, let's stop and look. Alright, let me read this and then I'll get back to you. Here it says at this site they used rhyolite at the Sandy Knoll site. I'm just going to go over this timeline. 2020. Replaced a steel girder on the bridge and they found all of this. Late woodland, middle woodland, pottery shards, early woodland, late archaic, burned white deer tail bone from a fire hearth dated to 4,800 years ago. Projectile point stone tools of dated samples of deer bone and burnt maple bark 6,000, 7,000 years ago. Quartz processing tool, radiocarbon dated alder wood. Alright, so that's the earliest they found, was 9,500 years ago. Paleo-Indians established an east-west trade route right through here. Cool, man. Anything on the opposite side? No. They ate those critters. Okay. Cool. Nice. Alright. Heading out. That's cool to see. I really wish I saw more stuff like this.